Rolls. Cook on bottom shelf. 3 teaspoons of yeast, 1/4 cup sugar, 1½ cups warm water, 3 cups of milk scalded, 1/2 cup of shortening, 3/4 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons salt, 3 eggs beaten. Skip the lemon juice, is that right, Mom?
Yep.
4½ cups of flour, 7½ cups of flour, about 6 3/4 cups. And cool. The topping is 3 cups of brown sugar, 1½ cups of whipping cream, 1/4 cup of white
Karo syrup.
Karo syrup. And what else? Dissolve and bring to a boil. Okay,
Now you're ready, huh?
I guess. We got all our ingredients together?
Well, I hope. Now we gotta start in.
Okay. We'll see what we see.
Hold it.
Oh,
Milk. And how much is it? 1.5 cups? 3 cups.
you say first scald some milk?
Yep, milk.
It says 3 cups of milk, scalded.
Scalded? What's scalded mean?
You'll find out. 1 cup,
Boiled?
scalded. 2 cups. 3 cups,
Now you can put this away.
Okay.
scalded.
Well, you put it on the stove and you just till it starts to boil. You don't boil it.
Ah.
Now,
Put it on medium?
3 tablespoons of yeast. What happened to my bowl I had here?
Yeast. Oh. Yeast. What's yeast?
3 tablespoons of yeast is right. Level?
Yep.
One tablespoon.
2 tablespoons. And 3 tablespoons.
3 tablespoons.
Now, how much sugar does it say in this?
1/4 cup. Well, there's 2, calls for 2 different.
Well, I know, but the first one.
The first one says 1/4 cup.
Okay. Now, do you know why you have to put sugar in that yeast? The yeast won't work if you don't have sugar in it.
And the yeast is what makes the bread rise. I know that. Like back when the Egyptians were, they didn't use yeast.
What'd they use?
Some people just didn't use the yeast. Some people forgot about it. And then all they had was flat bread. So it happened once. But without the yeast, it doesn't rise.
And to make it level, you always use
Plenty of sugar.
All right.
Let's see how that milk's doing.
You'd be good.
And then you mix this up before you put the water in it.
Always mix it up.
1½ cups warm water.
1½ cup. Is this 1½ cup?
Look at it. What's it say?
1.
Can Patrick draw some warm water for you? 1½ cups.
And it can't be too hot
Uh-oh.
because it will kill the yeast.
Just warm.
Let me see.
1 cup.
And a half a cup.
Half a cup.
Can I try mixing? This smells like shrimp.
You can get some margarine out of the refrigerator.
Or butter.
Now
Margarine.
what margarine?
And we want. Oh,
Margarine. Is this margarine?
is that what you're calling shortening?
Short.
All right. Yes, that's it, Patrick. But there's some that's open, right?
No,
Oh,
that's
we're gonna
just
use new.
a part of a one.
All right. It
And I
says.
set this over here on the stove so that it'll stay warm.
Okay,
Oh.
I'm getting the margarine out.
Okay. Calls for half a cup of shortening.
The new. Ah. Come on.
I've got to have my mixer out of there.
All right.
Always make sure you have a.
You say 1 stick of margarine is a half a cup.
Make sure.
And we have our mixer
Our
out.
margarine.
How's that milk doing?
So that's starting to boil.
Do we need to stir the milk?
No,
Okay.
but we need to watch it.
That's exactly what we're doing. We're back. Now, that's one thing.
Starting to get hot.
Yeah, it's steaming.
Okay.
That's good.
Think it's okay?
Mhm.
All right.
Now, we put this in there.
All of it.
Margarine in the scalded milk.
Go this way.
And let it melt. It's melting very well.
Now, I'm gonna get this flour measured out.
Oh. We'll measure the flour.
Flour.
Now, where's my thing that I level this with?
Yes. I had it. Sorry.
Wow. How much flour is that?
You know, 2 cups.
That's how much is in that whole cup? Whoa. Hey, that looks kind of weird.
And it calls for 4.5 cups of flour.
Yeah, now, I put that in this little bowl.
Yeah. Two cups. Four cups.
4.5 cups. Four and a half cups.
Okay.
big helper.
Now, I put, how much does it call for in this other bowl?
6 3/4. Wait.
Well,
6 3/4 is your change.
all right, I put in 6.5, and then I put another cup just and set it back
Okay, in case you need
in
it.
case I need it. Two.
Man, that's a big cup.
Four. Six.
You think that's funny, don't you?
6 and set back a half.
And a half.
Oh, 6 1/2.
Can I see?
Now I'm gonna set back
Hey, it's the
1 cup. But I'm not gonna put it in until I think I need it.
What?
Where'd you get your leveling tool?
Well, it did have a handle on it. So the handle fell off. I don't wanna put that in there.
Oh, we would have to take it back out.
Now,
Now,
set that back over there.
Oh, look at this sugar and yeast. Is that doing what it's supposed to do?
Yep.
Okay,
what?
look at that.
It's
Now
rising by
In
itself?
there,
I don't want to touch it.
we need 3/4 cup sugar. And I will put in like 3/4 because this,
We haven't learned about halves and 3/4 and stuff in math yet, so.
Do people need to learn about halves and 3/4?
Yes,
Why?
because someday they're gonna have to cook. And everybody needs to know the measurements.
Oh,
And if you don't know the measurements, it might turn out really bad.
okay. Well, you got a half a cup of
yeah,
sugar.
and it says 3/4, but I don't put that much in.
Okay. How'd you figure that out?
Well, because of all the sweet stuff on the bottom and
Oh,
2 teaspoons of salt.
Did you,
but
I want to touch it, I just can't. What? What are you looking at? Hey. Whoa.
all right. How much salt?
2 teaspoons.
1 teaspoon? Two teaspoons.
Now I need 3 eggs.
3 eggs.
Coming right up.
I might as well use the one that's still here. 3 eggs.
Mhm.
1,
Here,
2,
go on over here.
forgot to get this third one. Now, there's still 2 left in this.
Okay.
Remember that.
Which one did you get that out
The
of?
old one. Do you want
Yeah.
the new eggs?
Let me see.
This one.
Blue one, that's fine.
Yeah. It's better to use what you still have than to use what you just got. What?
What if what you got is rotten?
Ugh. Use the other stuff.
It's not though.
I know.
Okay. So you're putting 3 eggs in your mixing bowl.
Yes. Oh, I see that mix. I'm not following it. Cool. Come here, Jim. Look at this.
Oh.
Whoa. Cool. Neat. Hey, look at this, Jim. Look. It's getting bigger.
Why?
Because yeast and sugar are coming together so they rise. And yeast always rises when you put it in something that you need to bake. But
Now,
this, I've never seen.
you can't pour eggs
And
in hot milk, or it cooks the eggs.
Oh.
but it's not.
But this is, I've tested it, and it's cooled down to where I'm gonna pour them in this time.
All right.
Okay. Hope they don't cook.
And if it's too hot,
It'll cook them.
you have to put a little of the hot stuff in the eggs and stir it up
Cool them off.
and cool it off.
Did you hear about the cruel cook that whipped the cream and beat the eggs?
Hey,
Huh?
Jim,
What?
this doesn't look like it's rising. I touched some of it, and all it is foam. See?
What's it taste like?
Now,
Got a nasty sour taste to it. It's got a little bit of sugar in it. Ah! Ah. Excuse me. Having some water.
Look, watch this, Patrick.
Okay. Whoa.
So the sugar and the yeast is going in the eggs and the milk.
I needed this. Never taste that stuff. It's got a sour taste. You tricked me. You knew what it would do.
Mm. Need a pretty big pan for that, don't you?
Really big.
this pen just fits. I know just exactly what I have to use. Now, remember we put
Yes.
flour in that little pan?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The other flour.
I'm gonna
Ooh, that's heavy.
Whew.
dump this in here now.
All right.
Can't believe that yeast. Can't believe that sour stuff goes into those great tasting cinnamon rolls.
Okay, put that over there.
Yeast goes into everything that needs to rise. Like
All right. Well, we're gonna mix that up.
like
So we rinse out this pan, clean it
Yeah.
up.
Yes.
Okay.
well, let's
Okay.
mix it.
Look at there. You need a good mixer, don't you?
What is that?
Wow.
And now it's starting to turn to batter. Yeah, I'm pretty sure of that.
Does it look like a batter?
Hey! It looks like
I was just checking. I got so much help. I want to be sure everything was in there. you see, you couldn't put all that stuff in a mess of flour. So that's the reason you get this sponge together first.
It's a, what'd you call it?
Sponge.
Sponge.
Now,
Chew.
Please don't sneeze in the sponge.
Just a joke.
okay.
You always do this
Whoa.
when you mix it. Ew. Yuck.
Didn't get that mixed up too good.
Uh-oh.
Well, it's mixed good enough. But just think, you're gonna have to mix that. And now with your two hands. Thank you. Now time to clean.
Does it help if you clean up as you go along?
Yes, it sure does.
So good thing we're cleaning.
Mm-hmm.
I was gonna ask you something weird, Jim. I was gonna ask you if you'd like to go bowling today.
Yeah.
I can do that.
How's it looking?
Well, I don't know yet. Gotta get it down where I can get at it now. And I put it on this.
Oh.
Look at that stuff. It's all ooey and gooey.
That's just the way we like it.
Starting to look better every second. Starting to get ooey and gooey. Looks better every time you look at it.
Hmm.
There's only one thing of all ingredients we haven't put in there. This little cup of flour.
And I gotta have some of it.
Okay.
Because, what is it? Just,
See how sticky it is?
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you need a little more flour in there, huh?
Do you know what I was gonna ask my dad to get for the Chinese Christmas? A $24.97 gift. So I could just take it anyway.
Here.
But he told me what might happen if we take it. He told me that Ryan might get it. And I'd never want that to happen. If that happened, I'd be so mad. I'd be blowing steam out of my ears for a week.
What were you gonna get?
Really just 5 days. Because I'll be so mad if he got that Turbo Man.
Now, a lot of mixers have a dough
Uh-huh.
thing on it, but I don't have one on mine, so I have to stand here and knead this.
If you did.
Can I?
No,
No.
you can't.
No, please.
Hey! You don't joke about that. You see that? Hey, that does look pretty good.
Patrick, when's the last time you washed your hands?
Last night. That's exactly what I'm gonna do right now.
That'd be good.
Now see, this is real sticky.
Yes, it is.
And if I put enough flour in there to make it so I wouldn't stick to my hands,
Yeah.
the cinnamon rolls would be so heavy that you couldn't eat them.
So you want it a little bit
So
sticky?
you want it sticky, yes.
Huh. You just have to learn by experience how sticky, huh?
Yes,
Is that about right?
I think it is. I might put just another sprinkle of flour in there.
Be very good for that. So, how do you think it looks now?
Scrumptious. Is it shaping up? Okay.